Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Welcome to English Chats Daily, your daily dose of practical English conversation practice. I'm your host, and today we have something special that could literally save your life when you travel or live in an English-speaking country.
Picture this. You're in a foreign country, feeling sick, standing outside a pharmacy, and you have no idea how to explain what's wrong with you in English. Your head is pounding, your nose is running, and you desperately need help but can't find the right words. This exact scenario has happened to millions of English learners, and today we're going to make sure it never happens to you.
In the next 10 minutes, you'll master the essential phrases to communicate with doctors and pharmacists when you have common illnesses like colds, fevers, and headaches. We'll follow Eva and George through real conversations that happen every day in medical settings. By the end of this episode, you'll feel confident walking into any pharmacy or doctor's office knowing exactly what to say.
But here's the thing that most English courses won't tell you. Medical conversations have their own special rhythm and vocabulary. Doctors ask specific questions, and they expect specific types of answers. Miss this pattern, and you might not get the help you need.
That's why we're breaking it down step by step today.
Let's start with our first scenario. Eva isn't feeling well, so she decides to visit her local pharmacy to get some advice and medicine.
Eva walks into the pharmacy looking tired and unwell. The pharmacist, George, notices her immediately.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi, I don't feel very well. I think I have a cold.
I'm sorry to hear that. What symptoms are you having?
I have a runny nose and I'm sneezing a lot. My throat hurts too.
How long have you been feeling this way?
For about 3 days now, it's getting worse.
Do you have a fever?
I'm not sure. I feel hot sometimes.
Let me recommend something for your cold symptoms. This medicine will help with your runny nose and sneezing.
How often should I take it?
Take 1 tablet every 6 hours. Don't take more than 4 tablets in 1 day.
Should I take it with food?
Yes, it's better to take it after eating. Also, drink lots of water and get plenty of rest.
Thank you. How much does it cost?
That's $15.
Here you are.
Thank you. Feel better soon.
Now, let's pause here and break down what just happened. Notice how Eva described her symptoms using simple, clear language. She said, I have a runny nose and my throat hurts. These are perfect examples of how to explain what you're feeling. She didn't use complicated medical terms, just everyday words that anyone can understand.
George, the pharmacist, asked important questions that you should expect. How long have you been feeling this way? And do you have a fever? Are common questions in medical situations. He also gave clear instructions about the medicine, how often to take it, how much to take, and when to take it. Now let's continue with another scenario. This time, Eva has different symptoms and needs to be more specific about her problem. The next week, Eva returns to the same pharmacy, but now she has a bad headache.
Hello again. I have a bad headache today.
Oh no, where exactly does your head hurt?
It hurts here above my eyes. The pain is very strong.
When did the headache start?
This morning when I woke up. It's been 4 hours now.
Have you taken anything for it yet?
No, I haven't taken any medicine today.
Do you have headaches often?
Sometimes, but not usually this bad.
Are you feeling sick to your stomach?
A little bit, yes.
This sounds like a tension headache. I'll give you some pain medicine. Take 2 tablets now, then wait 4 hours before taking more.
Is there anything else I should do?
Try to relax in a quiet, dark room. Put a cold cloth on your forehead. If the headache doesn't go away by tomorrow, see a doctor.
What if it gets worse?
If it gets much worse or if you feel very sick, go to the hospital right away.
Okay, thank you for the advice.
This conversation shows us something crucial about medical communication. Eva was specific about her pain location, above my eyes. When you're sick, doctors and pharmacists need exact information. Saying, my head hurts, is good, but saying it hurts above my eyes or behind my head or on the side of my head is much better.
George also gave Eva important safety information. He told her when to see a doctor and when to go to the hospital. This kind of advice is normal in medical conversations, and you should always listen carefully to these instructions.
Now let's see what happens when Eva has a fever. This situation requires different vocabulary and more serious attention.
Eva returns to the pharmacy a month later with different symptoms. Hi, George. I think I have a fever.
What makes you think that?
I feel very hot and cold at the same time. I'm shivering, but I'm also sweating.
Do you have a thermometer at home?
Yes, I checked my temperature. It's 102 degrees.
That's quite high. Do you have any other symptoms?
My body aches all over. I'm very tired, too.
This sounds like you might have the flu. How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday evening.
You should see a doctor today. A fever that high needs medical attention.
Can you give me something for the fever first?
Yes, this medicine will help lower your fever, but you still need to see a doctor.
How often can I take this medicine?
Every 4 hours, but no more than 6 times per day. Take it with water. Also, drink lots of fluids. Water, juice, or soup are all good.
Should I eat anything?
Only if you feel hungry. Don't force yourself to eat.
When should I be worried?
If your fever goes above 103 degrees, or if you have trouble breathing, call an ambulance immediately. This conversation introduces more serious medical vocabulary. Words like thermometer, temperature, flu, and ambulance are important to know. Eva also learned to describe feeling hot and cold at the same time and shivering, which are perfect ways to explain fever symptoms.
Notice how George became more serious when Eva mentioned her high fever. In medical situations, some symptoms require immediate attention, and fever above a certain level is one of them. This teaches us that medical conversations can change quickly from casual to urgent.
Let's practice the key phrases you've learned today. Repeat after me, speaking slowly and clearly.
For describing cold symptoms, I have a runny nose. I'm sneezing a lot. My throat hurts.
For describing headaches, I have a bad headache. It hurts above my eyes. The pain is very strong.
For describing fevers, I think I have a fever. I feel hot and cold. My body aches all over.
For asking about medicine, how often should I take it? Should I take it with food? How much does it cost?
For understanding instructions, take 1 tablet every 6 hours. Drink lots of water. Get plenty of rest.
Remember, when you're not feeling well, speaking a foreign language becomes even harder. That's why practicing these conversations now, when you're healthy, is so important. Your brain will remember these patterns when you really need them.
The most important thing to remember is this: don't be afraid to ask questions. If you don't understand something, say, "Could you repeat that, please?" or "I don't understand." Pharmacists and doctors want to help you, and they're used to explaining things in simple language.
You've just learned the essential skills for handling common medical situations in English. Practice these dialogues, learn the key vocabulary, and remember that clear, simple communication is always better than complicated sentences when you're not feeling well.
Keep practicing with English chats daily, and soon these conversations will feel natural and automatic. Until next time, stay healthy and keep speaking English with confidence.